But first, experts at the University of Illinois say more than 500,000 people in central Illinois get their water from an underground source called the Mahomet Aquifer. Now more than ever, officials say it's crucial to protect and learn about one of the region's largest sources of water. I've been researching the aquifer and had the chance to speak to those working hard to protect it. The Mahomet Aquifer supplies water to 15 Illinois counties, including Champaign, Vermilion, and Piatt. The Prairie Research Institute at the University of Illinois recently finished a project researching the aquifer using a new technology called helicopter time domain electromagnetics, or HTEM. Here's how it works. Researchers use a helicopter equipped with electromagnetic emitters that send pulses into the earth, reaching up to 1,000 feet under the surface, which gives researchers a more accurate look at the aquifer. U of I geology professor Kisa Mwakanyamale-Gilkey says though data processing is only beginning, researchers are already learning new things about the water supply.
So far, we are seeing the boundary of the aquifer is wider than what's previously thought. So with that, gives us a bigger size aquifer.
Mwakanyamale-Gilkey says that an aquifer can be just as vulnerable to pollution as surface water, though it is underground.
So anything that is in the surface water can cause contamination into the aquifer as long as there is a pathway. So where we have reach, it means fertilizer from farmers can get into the aquifer.
In October 2017, Newswatch reported on a pipeline explosion that tainted a portion of the aquifer, making it undrinkable for some residents of rural Mahomet. Developers also pushed to create an industrial waste dump in Clinton on top of the aquifer, which was fought by State Senator Chapin Rose. Rose says he's had success passing protective laws in the state legislature.
One of the outcrops of it was we were able to get it designated a sole source aquifer by the US EPA. In fact, it's the only sole source aquifer designation in the entire state.
That sole source designation means the Mahomet Aquifer supplies more than 50% of the drinking water for its service area. Whether it's in Springfield or in the field, both the University of Illinois and Senator Rose share one common goal: to protect the aquifer for generations to come.
It's a process. It's a lengthy process, but protecting our water supply for future generations is pretty darn important.
In Champaign County, I'm Ben Whitney for WEIU Newswatch. Results from the Prairie Research Institute's research project will be available to the public in the next 6 to 12 months. Senator Rose says he hopes to secure funding to scan the entire aquifer in the future. That could cost tens of millions of dollars. Harrison?